Little storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a sparkling blue ocean, lived a friendly little mermaid named Coralia. She had bright green eyes, long wavy purple hair that floated around her, and a shimmering tail with scales that changed color like a rainbow. Coralia loved her home, the colorful coral reef, and wanted to make it even more beautiful. Coralia had a wonderful idea. She found a smooth, colorful seashell and pretended it was a camera. "Hello, sea friends," she bubbled, talking to a curious little starfish with 5 pointy arms. "Welcome to my coral reef gardening vlog." She giggled, showing the starfish a patch of dull-looking coral. "Today we will learn how to make our reef even prettier." Coralia gently took a small, swaying sea anemone with soft, ticklish tentacles. She showed the starfish a good spot among the rocks. "We need to plant our anemone here, where it gets just the right amount of sunlight," she explained. With a wiggle of her tail, she carefully tucked the bottom of the anemone into a little crevice. "There, now it has a cozy home." The sea anemone wiggled its tentacles happily. Next, Coralia pointed to some fuzzy green algae growing on a piece of coral. "It's sometimes too much algae can make the coral sad," she said. She took a soft, leafy piece of seaweed and gently wiped the algae away. A little yellow fish with big round eyes watched closely. "It's like giving the coral a bath." Coralia smiled. The coral looked brighter and healthier. More sea creatures started to gather around Coralia. A shy seahorse, with a curly tail, a speedy little crab, with clicking claws, and even a wise old sea turtle, with a mossy shell watched her videos. Coralia showed them how to carefully move little bits of broken coral to new spots where they could grow. She taught them which places had the best sunlight and how to keep the reef clean from too much sand. Soon, thanks to Coralia's helpful vlogs, the coral reef became the most colorful and vibrant place in the whole ocean. Sea anemones of all colors danced in the gentle currents, the coral glowed with health, and many new little fish had happy homes. Coralia felt so happy, seeing all her friends working together to care for their beautiful reef. One sunny morning, all the sea creatures gathered around Coralia. The starfish gave her a shiny pearl as a thank you. The yellow fish brought her a tasty piece of seaweed. Even the old sea turtle smiled, showing his wrinkly face. Coralia's heart felt warm and bubbly. "It makes me so happy that we all work together," she said. "When we help each other, we can make amazing things happen." Visual Concept 1. Coralia, a cute mermaid with green eyes and purple hair, holds a seashell like a camera in front of a dull coral patch. A curious starfish with 5 pointy arms looks at her. The background is a softly lit blue ocean, with gentle sunlight filtering through. Visual Concept 2. Coralia gently tucks a colorful sea anemone with ticklish tentacles into a crevice in the coral. The little starfish watches her closely. Bubbles float upwards. Visual Concept 3. Coralia uses a soft, leafy piece of seaweed to gently wipe fuzzy green algae off a piece of coral. A little yellow fish with big round eyes watches with curiosity. The coral looks brighter. Visual Concept 4. A shy seahorse with a curly tail, a speedy little crab with clicking claws, and a wise old sea turtle with a mossy shell watch Coralia as she explains how to plant coral. Other colorful sea creatures are in the background. Visual Concept 5. The coral reef is now incredibly colorful and vibrant, with many sea anemones and healthy coral. Lots of little fish swim happily around. Sunlight streams down, illuminating the scene. Visual Concept 6. All the sea creatures, including the starfish, yellowfish, seahorse, crab, and sea turtle, gather around Coralia. The starfish gives her a shiny pearl, and the yellowfish offers her a piece of seaweed. Everyone is smiling.
Please subscribe. Thank you.